Bluetooth HC05 is a small electronic module that enables wireless communication between devices. It is a Bluetooth module that provides serial communication capability to microcontrollers like Arduino, Raspberry Pi, or other embedded systems. The HC05 module uses Bluetooth 2.0 and EDR, Enhanced Data Rate, protocol, which provides fast data transmission and low power consumption. It can be configured as a master or slave device, depending on the application requirements. One of the key features of the HC05 module is its ease of use. It can be easily integrated with any microcontroller and requires minimal configuration. The module operates at a voltage range of 3.3V to 5V, making it compatible with most microcontroller boards. HC05 module also supports a range of communication modes, including UART, SPI, and I2C. This allows it to communicate with a wide range of devices, including sensors, motors, and displays. Another advantage of the HC05 module is its low cost. It is an affordable solution for wireless communication between devices, making it ideal for hobbyists, students, and makers. In summary, the HC05 module is a powerful and versatile Bluetooth module that provides wireless communication capabilities to microcontroller-based projects. In the video that we present, you can see a relay controller circuit connected to a 220V AC lamp. This circuit uses Arduino Uno and Bluetooth HC05 as a connecting medium between the Android application and the relay controller circuit. In this video, we show how easy it is to control a 220V AC lamp using only an Android application connected to the HC05 Bluetooth module and Arduino Uno. In the application, there are several buttons that can be used to control the lights, such as turning the lights on or off. When the button is pressed on the application, the HC05 Bluetooth module will send a signal to the Arduino Uno to activate or deactivate the relay connected to the 220V AC lamp. That way, you can control your lights remotely and more efficiently.